Hello everyone, this is class 12 poetry. We have completed first chapter. Now it is the term for the second chapter, The True Beauty. This poem is composed by the great poet Thomas Carew. Now I am going to tell about this poem. Listen it. The True Beauty is one of the most famous lyrics. In this poem, the poet glorifies the spiritual beauty and condemns the physical beauty. He warns the lovers of physical attractions because this beauty decays with the passage of time. With that, the love also declines. On the contrary to this, spiritual beauty remains permanent, it never dies. Spiritual beauty lies in virtues as constancy, gentleness of mind. The poet praises the beauty of mind and soul and hates the physical beauty. Now, let's start the poem. He that loves a rosy cheek or a coral lip admires, or a star like eyes doth seek fuel to maintain his fires. As old time makes these decay, so his flames must waste away. वह व्यक्ति जो गुलाबी गालों से प्रेम करता हो और अ कोरल लिप एडमायर्स या मूंगे जैसे ओठों की प्रशंसा करता हो. कोरल is a precious stone which is red in color, and coral lip means a lip which is red as a coral. The poet is hinting at the physical attraction of the beloved. Or from star-like eyes doth seek fuel to maintain his fires. या फिर सितारे जैसी आँखों में अपनी प्रेमाग्नि को प्रज्वलित करने के लिए, उसे बनाए रखने के लिए ईंधन खोजता हो. As old time makes these decay, so his flames must waste away. जैसे ही समय बीतेगा यह सब आकर्षण नष्ट हो जाएगा. So his flames must waste away. इसीलिए उनकी प्रेमाग्नि भी waste away is a phrase which means end. उनकी प्रेमाग्नि भी नष्ट हो जाएगी, खत्म हो जाएगी. But a smooth and steadfast mind, gentle thoughts and calm desires, hearts with equal love combined, kindle never dying fires. Where these are not, I despise lovely cheeks or lips or eyes. लेकिन स्मूथ मीन्स कॉन्स्टेंट, स्थिर, स्टेडफास्ट मीन्स फर्म माइंड, दृढ़ मस्तिष्क, जेंटल थॉट्स सुंदर विचार, एंड काम डिज़ायर्स और शांत इच्छाएँ, हार्ट्स विद इक्वल लव कंबाइंड जहाँ प्रेम बराबर रूप से बटा हो. काइंडल नेवर डाइंग फायर्स, काइंडल मीन्स जनरेट करना, नेवर डाइंग फायर्स कभी ना नष्ट होने वाली प्रेमाग्नि को. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस होल पैसेज. लेकिन जहाँ एक स्थिर तथा दृढ़ मस्तिष्क, सुंदर विचार तथा शांत इच्छाएं तथा समान प्रेम से जुड़े हृदय चिरस्थायी प्रेमाग्नि को प्रज्वलित रखते हैं, वहीं पर स्पिरिचुअल ब्यूटी होती है. जहाँ पर ये वस्तुएं नहीं होती, देन द पोएट सेज दैट आई डिस्पाइज लवली चीक्स और लिप्स और आइज. कवि कहता है कि मैं उन प्यारे गालों, होठों तथा आँखों से घृणा करता हूँ. दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द पोएम. नाउ लेट्स go to the central idea of this poem. The central idea of this poem, the first line will be, the true beauty is an inspiring poem of the great poet Thomas Carew. The True Beauty is one of the most famous lyrics of Carew. In this poem, the poet describes physical and spiritual beauty. Physical beauty means the beauty of cheeks, eyes, and lips. Generally, a man loves a woman account of her rosy cheeks, star-like eyes, and coral lips, but the fact is that her physical beauty disappears as time passes. As a result, his love also dies. On the contrary, spiritual love means the love of mind and soul. After the death of a person, physical figure disappears, but the soul never dies. Spiritual love does not die even after the death. This love has a great virtue as constancy and gentleness of mind. Now, this is the central idea, and you can write in an easy way. Listen the other central idea. The True Beauty is an inspiring poem of Thomas Carew. In this poem, the poet prefers the spiritual beauty. According to poet, physical charms decay with the passage of time, but the spiritual beauty never dies. So the poet glorifies the beauty of mind and soul, which is the true beauty, and ignores physical charms. The True Beauty is one of the most famous lyrics of Thomas Carew, who was one of the 17th century poets. Now that's all.